Ficus elastica, popularly known as rubber tree or rubber plant, is one of the cash farming business in Ghana. I'm cooking with Sindaco and I find myself somewhere in Axim in the western part of Ghana, where rubber plant or tree is one of the main farming over here.
This one have to last for good 70 years.
What?
Good 70 years.
70 years?
70 years.
So once you plant this and divide it into two, it will last for 70 years.
In fact, they are cutting down coconut tree to plant rubber.
Man, this is serious.
This time rubber for I'm catching for it now. War, Sikan, what battle I will be in anyone. Watch ya, Sikana, rubber, I've been here no tattoo. When did this year? Uncle Cornwall and a pa.
Yeah.
Because I'll be all one I hear me now, as the young one. Nina, I wouldn't. What? Would you rubber?
Right from Aguna Quanta through Axim to Ixiama headed towards Elibo is full of rubber plant or rubber farming by the roadside.
Man, Ghana is so beautiful. Look at this plantation, the grain, the forest, like it's really beautiful, Ankasa. And over here they do rubber. They plant rubber over here.
So in today's video, we'll be looking at why people are rushing to be rubber farmers and the benefits in this business.
So for necklace, we give you like 3,000 every 2 weeks. Yeah. Just imagine. In Ghana, what do we manufacture or do we process this thing?
I don't think
So
it is being exported to
to China. Oh, okay. So in Ghana, after everything has been harvested, straight to China. Wow.
So if today's the first time watching, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother, come join the family. Let's do this. Record. Today's video is sponsored by GK Homes, and GK Homes is a modern real estate company that builds luxury European 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses at Amasaman, Accra, Ghana. All rooms are fully furnished with modern quality luxury styles like top floor family or play area, luxury German kitchen style, walk-in closet, bedroom balconies, spacious living room, and all the doors are being fitted with Turkey security doors. There's also security walls with alarm systems, modern staircase, and so many more. It's also affordable, so if you want to become house owner with peace of mind to sleep and to work, GK Homes is what you need. They also have an amazing payment plan for your mortgage that you love it. So what are you waiting for? Call this number on the screen +44 789 717 6552. GK Homes, signature of luxury and quality.
For right from Aguna Quanta coming, I was seeing this tree, this particular tree, and I'm told that this is rubber plantation or rubber tree. Okay, so I have here Mr. Philip. Mr. Philip, okay, he's taking me around Nzima, and he's explaining to me how this rubber plantation and what is that.
First product, no.
Yeah.
Rubber Nankas in the video for 7 years.
And how's the seed? Is it like a plant, a diana? Is there a seed, a rubber seed? In a rubber seed, you know.
Rubber seed.
It's a shea nut, kind of. Okay, so this is a rubber seed. So they plant this and it turns to this tree over here. Okay, so right from the seed to this point is 7 years. So it turns to this, it grows, it matures, then what?
Then from here, no, you divide the tree into 2 parts. This is the pan A.
A. Pan A?
Pan A.
A. Why you have to divide it? Answer.
Because of future reference, no. This one have to last for good 70 years.
What?
Good 70 years.
70 years?
70 years.
So once you plant this and divide it into 2, it will last for 70 years.
This is the first step. Pan A.
So hold on. If you don't divide it, it will not last that 70 years.
It will not last for that 70 years.
How many years?
For
40,
50.
Wow.
So this is the pan A. First step. You have to tap it for 5 years. From the pan A, you have to tap it for good 5 years.
Wow.
Then you turn it to the pan B.
Okay.
The pan B will be same as here.
Okay.
It's a measurement.
I don't understand. Explain what's the pan? You mean this side?
This one is the panel.
Panel. Okay, panel. Okay.
From here to here.
Okay. Panel. Okay.
Turn it to the panel B.
Okay.
Also will continue to 5 years.
5 years. So the panel B, if not done yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Okay.
Then you come back to the top tapping.
Okay.
So the upwards.
Okay.
The upwards you divide into 4 types.
Okay.
You divide into 4 types.
Did you say the agriculture school? Did you say agriculture school? Somehow. No, because the way.
But I'm into it.
You are into, okay. You are a farmer yourself. Yeah. You are a farmer. Okay, so you have an okay.
I have an idea.
Exactly. Okay.
So this one you divide into four main types.
Okay.
The first one it would last for good 2 years. Because it is upwards,
okay,
the liquid will be more.
Okay.
More than
so the liquid is the pan that gives the liquid. Okay. Okay. So after 5 years that this goes off, you have to tap in,
you have to
go the B and do for 5 years again. Then you move up. You divide it to four types, and you get to one give you 2 years.
2 years
each. So that's 8 years.
8 years
plus 5.
That's what I'm saying. It will last for
70 years.
70 years.
Wow. Okay. So here for 4. Then what again?
The whole thing will take for 4 parts.
So for 8 years here, 8 years here, 16
years.
plus 10.
Plus 10.
Pakaputana.
You also continue upwards.
Again, upwards will be
the upwards. When you don't get anything, you come back to the panel A, which means this place
will heal again. Will heal. Wow, man, this is nature, man. Man, like, did you just hear that? Wow. Wow. Then come back to the roots, to the bottom again, start again. So the second one you divide by 4, okay.
4.
Third, how many will you divide?
It continues.
So
you use the same panel.
Okay, so here's one.
This one will be a little more smaller than, because the two will be larger.
Yeah, okay. So this is 1. This will be 4. Then the top will be how much? 6. 6. And each one 2 years each or 1.
2 years. Some even if you get a good tapper, it will last for 4 years.
Wow, per each.
Wow,
man, this is cash money. This cash money in a day. How many times do you?
This one a month. It is for fresh like this. It is 4 days. 4 days.
So every 4 days, this will be up. It will be full.
No.
Every how many times does this get full in a day? Or in a week? Or in a
week? Say 3 types of.
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times of
the cup. So every week you have 3 times.
But before that, you have to apply medicine. It is called stimulant.
Stimulant. Okay.
It's a reddish color.
Okay.
That one you apply it for every month.
Okay.
If the tree is big, it is 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Okay. If it's small, then it's a month.
It's a month.
Wow. Wow, man, this is interesting.
And for that month, when you apply it, you have to allow the liquid to dry.
Okay, before you pan it.
So that it gets into the tree. So that when you tap it, the liquid will be coming more.
Okay.
Other than that, when you tap, you should not get anything.
Okay, so is the liquid the chemical that will push the liquid to come out?
Extract everything from it.
Wow. Man, it's amazing. And you have all this in Ghana. You're not even a single company.
You don't have any company which can even give us an end product of it. Everything has been.
Ghana.
Everything to the other side of the world.
So this is full already. What's this one?
Lumps. This one is called a lumps.
This one, the lungs.
Yes.
What's the inside?
Because it was liquid, now it has become
dry. Okay. Wow, man, this is beautiful. So this is a huge farm, as I said earlier. Now, I didn't know cuckoo, so I'm
yes.
So the cuckoo is to scare you, or is it to scare, or it's real?
It's real. Africa believe it's real.
Man, you see that? It's over there. It's a pot with a red cloth being tied on top of it, because people do come here to steal the rubber or the liquid. So they have the pot over here. If you come, or if you have an idea of coming to steal this, I bet you know another way. I bet you know. Like what one? Yeah. Tell me the memory actually. Every video on the Man, you see the pot over there. So if you make an attempt to come and steal over here, that pot will steam you, steam by chow. Okay, so look at this one too. It's coming. It takes 3 days for it to dry.
This one is called spout.
The channel.
Yeah, the channel is called spout. This one it's called spout.
Metal.
And this one is called cup.
Okay.
Color spring.
Color spring.
And this one is called a hanger.
Hey, more time to add it, power. So they divide it, do you divide it right from once it's growing, and I say, or they would divide it?
This one, averagely, is 7 years we are matured.
Okay, yeah, as you said earlier, no, yeah.
7 years we are matured. In 7 years, no, one be do or measurement or do we?
Well, oh, okay.
In the 7 years, no son, you can start tapping it.
Okay. So until 7 years, you can't tap it.
You can't. Unless the land itself is fertile.
Okay.
Which will speed up the tree to
grow fast. Okay, exactly today is Kafuni here for style now. That means on your only human you as a crowd for no, you will Kafuni here for. Hey, wow, man, this.
But infants, you know, man fats.
Fats, okay, which is fertilizer. Oh, okay.
Fertilizer, it's
to boost it up.
To boost it up.
Okay.
Every 2 years. And we start there 6 months.
Okay. Wow.
So it's going to that 6 months. And this is a record dry season.
It's no what
from March going then no do
about
umba.
Okay.
It's you best start in April.
From April we start harvesting no to the bank to
somewhere January.
Oh, it's entirely good. Almost 1 year.
1 year.
So you harvest for 1 year. Oh yeah, more car. No, hold on. Say you last 70 years, and I'm sure you can offer susu cocoa.
Definitely.
Man, this is more valuable than cocoa because 70 years like this, you have this tree for 70 years. So if you have a farm like this, just even 1 acre, you'll be chopping money for 70 years.
And this one, listen, they between that for 2 weeks.
Hey, Nana.
You know.
Oh yeah, friend. Look at them. So every 2 weeks they can export.
Between their factory.
A factory for them to buy. Look, every 2 weeks they can have money from this farm.
In your crano, you find 4 posts in your crano. You somewhere 3,000. 4
posts here with 4 acres.
4 acres.
4 acres. Yeah, but 4 acres. You know how many kilos of the weight? You know.
I find the average. I find 400.
400 kilos.
400 kilos.
So 400 kilos will give you like 3,000 every 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Just imagine. Wow. So this is a farm road, as I said. The whole place is full of plantation of rubber. And as you saw the seed, rubber seed. I had the share nuts, Wow. Amazing. So what are some of the disadvantage stuff over here in this farming, since you're a farmer yourself?
Small disadvantage in there. If you allow it to grow, definitely you will not get
what you want. Or the quantity that you want.
So
okay.
It's either you make it clean.
Okay.
For air to blow it.
Okay, so that's why there's a lot of space in between.
Yes,
okay.
Air and rain.
Okay, to circulate in. Okay. On a tree or partial. Up a freedom. Up a freedom. Okay. But do you also do palm wine? I've seen that. You have,
there's palm wine.
A palm wine farm also over there.
I'm not sure that.
Oh, then there. They are the factory. They are the factory. Oh, okay. So moving in there, it's not factory. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Man, this is so beautiful. So as you were saying, this
new process new
tree no.
Yes, yes.
This is the sea. You didn't be near.
Only with 51.
If you see the no,
say seed no fifi.
But no seed in one number. But no few. Say no. We fifi. It's an eye waste. And on fine foam.
David.
Hey, I that be. Or the foam and free. Oh man, this is a huge business. And this is one of the trees.
And it to me a Nigerian part. It to me Nigerian part. Ni day no, I am matured no. Bet me and I quote 3 cities.
Day
no.
Wow.
And imagine there will be 5,000 or what.
Oh, there is car. Man. Man, it's beautiful.
This one, when you tap it, it will take for good 3 years before it will dry.
This liquid over here?
This liquid.
It will take 3 years before it dries?
3 days.
3 days. Okay, 3 days, okay.
3 days before it will dry.
It's okay.
3 days before it will dry.
Wow.
After the 3 days, it's either you take it to the factory.
Okay.
Or you turn it for weight tapping.
Wow. Okay, so what do we do this rubber for? This product, what do we use?
This product is used for many things.
So in Ghana, what do we manufacture or do we process this thing?
I don't think so.
So
it is being exported
to China. Oh, okay. So in Ghana, after everything has been harvested, straight to China. Wow.
And people are making a whole lot of money.
No, I can see because I've seen a huge farms right from Aguna and Kwanta, right from the other side. Man, it's so beautiful. Like I never knew we have this for like the description of the tree and its procedure, and also like it can last this long 70 years. But the most sad thing is that we don't even have a single company in Ghana to give us the end product of this rubber. As I said, right from Aguna Kwanta to this place, it's almost like 30 minutes, and I believe it stretches down to other side. So a huge land of rubber plantation, but not even a single company in Ghana to manufacture or to use this rubber to make to do an end product. As he said, they use this product to do ties, car tie, plastic chair, anything concerning plastic. They use this to prepare or to produce. And when they harvest it, they export to China for them to use it. How sad it is. How sad it is.
My contact is 059
22 332. Okay, so this is Mr. Philip. Okay, so if you have any idea or you want to venture into this kind of farming, plantation, rubber plantation farming, you can call him and he'll give you the rundown and everything.
I'll give you the updates.
The updates
right
and everything.
The scratch.
Yeah.
And products. I'll give you everything.
Sure, but on your free. Yeah, are you free? And once again, one update that we give it to you that before you start everything, you need to protect your land by using kutu with red. Man, are you serious? Amazing. Thank you.
This is business.
Yeah.
Business.
No, it's very sad to do something. People come and steal it overnight. Like, it's crazy. Just like the palm wine and the petition, they do steal a lot.
Yeah.
It's all wow. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the explanation. Thank you. Okay, so this is in the rubber production. Okay, so after it's been harvested and dried up, we have something like this. Okay, and it has this weird smell like cow shit. Cow shit. Wow. So all this is rubber. So that's for today. I hope you've had an idea about how rubber plantation is done, the extraction, and even seeing the final product, the rubber itself. And man, it is what it is. So if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this again. Make sure you share the video, very important, okay, so that the family can grow. Let's meet again for Shizam and Nizzle, the next video. I'm out.